Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're making spicy carrot and cumin soup. It's really easy to make and it's a lovely soup to warm you up now the weather's getting colder. This is what you'll need. 25 grams of butter, 600 grams of diced carrots, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 potato diced, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of soft brown sugar, 1½ pints of vegetable stock, 1/4 pint of milk, a pinch each of ground ginger, turmeric and paprika, and Greek yoghurt to garnish. Melt the butter in a large saucepan and stir in the carrots, onion, potato and garlic, and cook gently over a low heat until softened. When the vegetables have started to soften, you need to add all the spices and cook on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the brown sugar and vegetable stock and bring to the boil. Now reduce the heat immediately and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Now we're going to puree the soup until it's a nice smooth texture. I'm going to use a hand blender, but you can use a food processor as well. Now season to taste and stir in the milk. And then return to the hob to reheat. Serve the soup topped with a swirl of yoghurt and garnish with a sprinkling of coriander. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more vegetarian dishes.